If your Android phone keeps showing virus warnings, random pop-ups, or annoying notifications, don't panic. Most of the time, the problem is much easier to fix than you think. In this video, I'll show you how to clean your phone for free using a few simple steps. Are you receiving notifications like, "Your phone is infected, virus detected, tap here immediately," or "Congratulations, you've got cash back"? These messages look scary, but in almost every case, they are not viruses. They're simply notifications sent by websites that you accidentally allowed on the Chrome browser. It usually happens when you visit an untrusted web page, which asks for "allow notifications," and you allowed that. Thankfully, removing them takes less than a minute. Open Google Chrome. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Then go to Site Settings. Then tap on the Notifications. Here, go to the Allowed section. If you notice unknown, suspicious, or unnecessary websites, simply turn them off or remove their permission. You can also disable website notifications completely if you never use them. Once you do this, those fake virus alerts disappear instantly, and your phone is already much cleaner. Some flashlight apps, cleaner apps, wallpaper apps, or random games can flood your notification panel with promotions, fake warnings, or misleading messages. These aren't necessarily viruses, but they are extremely annoying. To stop them, one thing you can do is to long touch the notification and then tap on the More Settings or Notification Settings. This will lead you directly to the particular app notification settings. From then, you can disable the notification, or you can uninstall that app if it is not necessary. Open Settings, go to the Notifications, scroll down. Here you will see the Recent section. These consists of all the apps that has recently showed you the notifications. From here, you can easily spot the culprit. Tap on them and disable the notifications. I suggest you to get rid of such apps, as they not just sent annoying notifications, but they can also track your activity. Go to the Apps section of your smartphone. Scroll through the list. Analyze each app. Target apps that you don't remember installing, don't use anymore, or unnecessary. Uninstall such apps, and you won't see the intrusive pop-ups. Android smartphone comes with Google Play Protect. It scans all your installed apps and makes sure you don't have any malicious ones. So open the settings of your phone, go to the Security section. Here, locate the Google Play Protect. You can also search for it in the settings. Tap on it and run the scan. Run a scan using MalwareFox. What if there are actual virus on your device, which you cannot identify manually? In that case, I suggest you to try MalwareFox Antimalware. It comes with features like proactive scanning, anti-theft protection, safe browsing, and privacy advisor. Yes, the app is paid, but you get 15 days free trial without any credit card, which means you don't have to pay right now to clean your phone. Click on the link in the description to install it from Play Store. Once installed, open the app. Grant the permissions it requests so it can properly inspect installed apps. Before you hit the scan button, tap on the malware protection and make sure that you turn on the scan storage toggle, because if you don't, MalwareFox will only scan the installed apps and leave out your storage. Now go back and tap on the Scan Now. MalwareFox will check your phone for malware, adware, spyware, and other potentially harmful applications. If it detects something suspicious, simply follow the on-screen instructions to remove it. If you like the product, you can opt for the subscription, which also protects your Windows PC. So, this is how you clean your Android smartphone for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Windows and Android troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.